Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy tablets and smartphone as well as iPads in Republic Day sale. But before buying any tablet or iPad, you must know the exact pricing or the best price of each and every tablet. Normally during sale, people get very good deal, but nowadays the sellers on Flipkart and Amazon.in are very clever. They try to play with the emotions of the buyer. During the festive season, many people don't see the price point and then just end up buying a product at a higher price tag. But you have to control your emotions. Don't buy any tablet when the price is on the higher side. For example, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, in that case the best price is 23 to 25,000 rupees. And if you get this tablet in Republic Day sale at this price point, you can buy. But I don't think that the price will come down for this tablet, so you should skip this tablet in 2026. Rather, you should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE if you get that tablet at 28 to 29,000 rupees. Similarly, many people are eagerly waiting for the price drop on iPad 11th generation 128GB Wi-Fi variant. The best price of iPad 11th generation is 28 to 29,000 rupees, and don't buy above this price point. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. This is a very good tablet. If you buy this tablet, the best price for this tablet is 33,000 rupees. The AMOLED display will definitely suit your eyes and you will have a very good multimedia consumption from this tablet. If you want to buy iPad Air M3, in that case the best price for this iPad is 43,000 rupees for the 128GB variant. During Amazon Great Indian Festival, many people have bought this iPad at 42 to 43,000 rupees. If you want to buy Oneplus Pad Go 128GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 13,500 rupees. And on the other hand, if you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad Go Lite, in that case the best price would be around 13,000 rupees for the 8 128GB variant. One of the users asked me whether he should get Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP under 20,000 price bracket, because many people already bought this tablet at 18,000 rupees during Amazon Great Indian Festival. He missed the chance of buying this tablet under this price point, but now he wants to buy this again. So he wants to know about the price point. Look, there is very less possibility that you will get Tab S9 AP under 20,000 price bracket, as I have already mentioned in this video that the sellers are very clever. They know how to play with the emotions or the mindset of the buyer. So they will not decrease the price point that much, and yet many people will end up buying this tablet at a higher price tag. Another user wants to know, he has a budget of 30,000 rupees and he wants to edit videos. So which tablet or iPad he should buy? There is clear-cut answer. You should definitely buy iPad 11th generation. Under the price point of 30,000 during sale, this is the best iPad that you can grab for video rendering or any other multitasking. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me, and I tried my level best to answer these questions. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will answer those questions through a video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.